Ruin. The storm ruined our picnic plans. Rain. Rain is essential for the growth of plants and crops. House. The house is white and spacious. Skirt. She chose a floral print skirt for the summer picnic. Attack. The virus attacked the computer's operating system. Attach. Please attach the relevant files to the application form. Shirt. He decided to wear a plaid shirt with jeans. Complete. Please complete the survey to provide your feedback. Compete. He has a strong desire to compete and win. Clear. The sky was clear and cloudless. Clean. The maid cleaned the room thoroughly. Medal. He proudly wore his gold medal. Model. He is a fashion model.
Thanks for watching.